One question I have seen is people asking, because the valves just come in little baggies and they're not really in a box that's labeled intake and exhaust. And while the intake valves are slightly larger, it's like a tiny bit larger. Like you'd actually have to set them right up to each other or mic them. But a quick way to tell, when you buy new valves from Kaiser Willys, the exhaust valves are a really good alloy stainless valve, and so that makes them non-magnetic. So we have exhaust valves on the end, then we have our two intake valves, two exhaust, so on and so forth. So this should be an intake valve, and it's magnetic. Okay, so you see the magnet grabbing there, nothing there. So exhaust, intake, intake, exhaust, exhaust, intake, intake, exhaust. So that's a quick way. Also, there are little numbers on the bag. They're kind of hard to read, but it says there's an I, so it says I782, I think, and the other one says E781. So intake starts with I, exhaust starts with E. So there's a couple ways. If you just get a bag of these and you're not sure which is which, just get out the magnet. Exhaust are stainless. They are not magnetic. Intakes are a different type of carbon steel, or a higher carbon steel, and they're magnetic. So just a small tip, but if your parts get all mixed up, that could help you. If you're dealing with really old original valves, they didn't have stainless exhaust valves, so they'll all be magnetic, so you will have to measure them. And intake valves on these are bigger. So hope that helps. Just a little assembly tip.